Hey guys, this is Rosie and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. So if you're like me, I have been so curious to check out TEMU. I don't know, I figured we should check this out together and decide, is it good? Is it worth it? Are the products as seen on screen? I had to know. I could not just ignore this one. So I don't know about you, but it feels like TEMU just came out of nowhere. But it does have some strong Shein vibes, AliExpress, Alibaba, all those. So I don't know. I have very low expectations, but I'm gonna go into this open-minded and I figured I'd bring you along the way, obviously. So let's begin. But before we do, my measurements will be in the description box below, so it'll help you with reference for your own sizing. And if you do wish to purchase any of the items from this TEMU haul today, I will have those also linked in the description box below. And I do receive a small commission of sale. But no, this is not sponsored. I'm just bringing you along my shopping spree. Let's begin. So I thought we would kind of veer towards fall with this haul because that's the season we're in basically now. So keep that in mind. Oh, and I wanted to let you guys know too, I did get free shipping and you get a 90-day free return. So kind of a nice perk there. I'm gonna give them a star for that. All right, so this one's a size small and it is $13. But okay, so I know the style's a bit eclectic looking, a bit wild, but I actually kind of love it. And honestly, I don't see myself buying this for more than $13. So let me show it to you. So it's very stretchy. It doesn't have a lot of room, but I feel like I'm okay in it. I probably should wear some shapewear, but I don't care. I thought I'd give it, put some fun pieces in this haul and see if we like it. But I actually love this one for $13. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but maybe the girls' night out in the fall, because really, when else? Yeah, the material's meh, but I feel secure in it. I think I'll be a little warm right now, but it's actually really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and say this one's a keep. I really like this. Let me show you all the way down what it looks like. Yeah, I'm feeling it. All right, so maybe TEMU's not so bad, but I know we have more, so stick with me, but I will link this below. This one is $10.30. It's a size small, basically a size 4. I was hoping to get this for work a bit, but you guys gotta see, it is not good. I feel like it's just printed on kind of crappy fabric. I don't know how else to put it, but it is not cute. Like the moment I got it out of the bag, I was like, no, this is not good. Not good at all. It's just not a nice, it's like the cheapest material you can think of. It's exactly what I think of when I think of Shein. So skip, skip, skip. I'm not even, no, there's no positive here. I don't like it at all. So this set, both top and bottom come together. It was $17.50, size medium. Let's review. So it's very soft. It doesn't feel like it's good quality, I'll tell you that. Like just the way the drop, the stretchy part is, it's not like that nice. I just feel like it's too tight. I know I've been eating a lot of pasta this summer. This shouldn't be a problem right now. It just feels like everything else is a bit like the right size and looseness, but this feels extra tight, like it was just made fast and bad. I don't know. Very wrinkly. I took it right out of the bag so you could see it. I don't know, I just feel like it makes me feel crummy, and I think a big part of clothing is supposed to also improve your mood. Especially if you're home, your loungewear should make you feel good. I don't know, I don't like it. I'm gonna say skip this one too. I mean, for the price point, it's good enough. I will say that. So for about 17 something, this is cozy, but I think I'll be really annoyed with the band. The top is fine. It is very soft. So I say I could take it or leave it, but I'm gonna leave it. Alright guys, so this vest is $12, size small, and the workout set is size medium, 6, and it is $21.30. Let's review. Alright, so I'm not really this girl, but thought I'd try it on for you guys just to give you a little look. So this is like a very, very stretchy ribbed material. Super stretchy, and it's a set, so it does come together. I would say maybe I should have gone even with a large because it's like very tight, but doable, I guess. I wouldn't want to wash it and find out what would happen next, but here we are. So it's comfy. I feel like, again, not my style per se. I like my stomach covered in the fall because who's not cold just there? I mean, I don't know. But I do think it looks cute, so that's the bummer. But that's the back, very cute. cool. Very stretchy. I would say size up 2 times. And then the vest is actually cute. I've seen some of these even on Amazon. I think they're pretty cute, and I feel like they're basically the same on there. But I would say keep the vest. You could skip this workout set. It's just, I don't know. I don't care even about the price point. I just think if I'm gonna buy it, it needs to be something I want to wear every day, especially something with leggings and a top like this. So skip the workout set, get the vest. I actually like it and I would wear it. Very cute. You guys, quick interruption here. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I see you guys watching. Like 80+% of you guys are new here or are just not subscribed. And if you're here still in this video this far, I think you like me, maybe? But if so, please help a girl out and subscribe. Hit the button at the end of this video. It looks like my face. Click and we'll be connected. Thank you so much. And back to regular programming. This Shacket is $21.07. But it's a size small. And I've actually been wanting one for a long time, and I don't know why I haven't just done the purchase already, but here we are. So I actually wanted to get something a little longer, a Shacket, you know, like a true long Shacket. But I think it's actually really cute. I feel like I've seen these cuter elsewhere, to be honest, but I don't hate it. For this price point, I don't hate it. And actually, these are the colors I really wanted. I love these tones because I know I'm gonna wear them with leggings and they match so good. So I say I like it. I would say it's a keep. It has little buttons here that I haven't buttoned yet because I couldn't do it, but I like it. You have like these pockets right here, and I think get your size, yeah. Because this is pretty baggy, even though it's a small, but if you want it even baggier where you can button it even down here and it still be loose because it does get a little tight, maybe go with medium, but it might be like too baggy. But yeah, here you go. And that's the Shacket. I will link this one below because I think it's a keep. So this sweater is $15.50 and it's a size small. And I thought I was gonna hate it because the moment I saw it, I was like, ugh, what is this? But I think I like it. But the reason is because I feel like this makes me feel like mountain chic and comfy and cozy. It's actually pretty soft. It's like cheap the moment I touched it, just black. I was like, this is boring, this is black. But I think that's exactly why I like it too. I don't know, it's very comfortable. So if you want something loose and cozy and cheap, this is the one for you. It has this little zip up, go all the way up to here. I think I like it more a little bit low. That's like my vibe right now. Keep it cool, keep it loose. But I say this could be a take it or leave it. But you know, if you can get it for maybe less than 15, I feel like through TEMU you can find a way. There's always a coupon, but keep or leave. I'll leave that one up. I will link it below in case you want to get it. Guys, this is $23 and it is a size small. And I have a special guest. Who's here? Aria! Shouldn't you be napping? Stinker. Alright, so, what do we think of this dress? Is it pretty? Is it not too pretty? Or not pretty?
It is pretty!
Oh, somebody likes TEMU. Yeah, so it's cute, it's stretchy. I don't think it's that great. It's very hot, but today's like 85 degrees. I would say this is a take it or leave it. I was hoping to keep it for work, but I just don't like it. I don't like it. So I'm gonna tell you this one. For me it's a skip, but maybe you'll like it. I feel like maybe I'm the right person. Also maybe if we steamed it a bit. I just feel like there's too much going on here. Say skip. Yeah, skip. Hey guys, that's it for today's TEMU haul. I'm gonna say my honest opinion of this is that it is just no good. You won't be seeing me shopping much or at all from TEMU. But, you know, maybe from time to time if it's the right item and it's actually made well. But I have everything linked below for you guys to purchase if you liked anything today. Maybe they'll look better on you because not everything looks good on me, obviously. But let me know, did you like this video? Would you like to see more of videos like this? Let me know in the comment box below if there's anything, other brands or whatever you want to see, just let me know. I'm very open-minded and I like to know what you want to see. Hey guys, do you want to say bye to YouTube with me?
Yeah.
Alright guys, don't forget at the end of this video to subscribe and see you next time. Bye YouTube!
Bye, YouTube! Bye, YouTube!
Say subscribe!
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 Subscribe!